In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find specific text on a web page in Google Chrome. This is one of those simple tools that can save you a ton of time, whether you're scanning a long article, checking documentation, or hunting for a specific term on a massive page. Start by opening the web page where you want to search. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots. That opens the browser menu. In this menu, you'll see a section labeled Find and Edit. Within that section, choose Find. This brings up a small search bar near the top right of your window. Click into that search bar and type the word or phrase you're looking for. As you type, Chrome instantly highlights matches on the page and shows a counter like 1 of 7, so you know how many results there are. Use the up and down arrows in the search bar to jump through each match in order. This makes it easy to move from the first instance to the next without losing your place. If you prefer shortcuts, you can do the exact same thing with a single keystroke. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl and F. On a Mac, press Command and F. The same find bar appears and everything works the same way. This isn't a new step, just a faster way to open the feature. Here are a few tips to make your search smoother. The Find tool searches only the page you're currently viewing, not your entire browsing history or the whole website. If the site loads more content as you scroll, new results might appear, so it's a good idea to scroll a bit if you don't see what you need at first. You can press Enter to move forward through matches and Shift plus Enter to go backward. Some versions of Chrome also include a match case option in the Find bar. If you enable it, the tool will only match uppercase and lowercase exactly as you type them. If the page looks busy, notice that Chrome often dims the background slightly and highlights all matches in yellow with the active one more prominently marked. That visual cue helps you see where you are on the page, and if you don't get any results, try refining your search term. Shorter phrases or a unique keyword usually work best. When you're done, click the X on the Find bar or press Escape to close it. That's all you need to quickly locate text on any web page in Chrome. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful.